In terms of awareness raising, making both the industry aware that there will be new challenges ahead of us, and that these new challenges require skills of the workforce, for example, also require adaptation of the standards which are relevant for the products and also for the refrigerants, and also adaptation of the building codes, for example, because by moving versus lower global warming potential technologies, we will also see an increased use of flammable refrigerants and also of toxic refrigerants or high pressure refrigerants, and we need to be ready to use these refrigerants without any risk. We need to be sure that they can be handled by the contractors, by the installers, by the users, and also, of course, from a liability perspective for the manufacturers. So as an association, and that's certainly one of EPE's priorities, we do a lot to communicate about this, to raise awareness both at user level, at industry level, and also at political level. Our members are very active in the standardization work as well, and we also develop tools for communication. As such, we will be launching a so-called GAPO meter, which will help raising awareness of what needs to be done to transition towards lower global warming potential technologies.